but okay, yes.
Priya. Hi guys, how are you all?
The work on right. You have the work on right.
Yeah, thank you for asking.
Oops.
Hi Soumya, nice to see you, Soumya.
I'm
Okay, let's see. I really wanted to go over the. Today is June 8th, right? Adrit Nathan, okay. Pranavi, Siddharth is not in here. Shrihan, no. Varnika, Tanishka is here, Soumya is here. Oh my god, Varnika is not in here. Siddharth is not in here. Varnika, Siddharth. Hmm. One second, wait. 1 minute. How are you girls? Some of them. How was it, Srinita, the homework? Did you do the homework? We were reviewing fractions, right? Was it hard or easy, ma? Was it hard or easy? I'm a little lost. 1 second. Was it hard or easy? Srinita?
no. I just changed the name. It's
Oh, I'm sorry. Pranavi, was the homework easy or hard?
it was not hard, but it was not easy. It was in the middle.
Okay, Tanishka, Tanishka, I don't see your work, ma.
Yeah, I forgot to send it, but I finished it on Wednesday.
Then I need to get a message from your mom.
Okay.
You see? Then your mom has to message me that you've completed, ma. Make sense? Okay.
Classroom sounds everything.
Okay, that is one thing. And okay. So fractions I had given. Okay, let me quickly check where are we with respect to the fractions on G6. Okay, I'm going to give you some questions as a review of last week. Then I'll move on to whatever we need. I really want to see, then only it's okay. Okay. Soumya, I really want you to start submitting the homework. Ma. Did you get it? Okay. Siddharth is coming in. Varnika.
No, I didn't get it. I think I had to ask my dad.
Yeah, absolutely, ma. Ask your dad. That is fine. Okay. Make
Is
sense?
it the same Google Classroom link?
It
Or
is
is
a
it different?
different classroom link. I have given the classroom links to your moms and dads. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, now my only thing is, how about this? I'm going to give you some questions, okay? Last week we discussed fractions, right? So let's see how much you can do this one. This is like a test like of last week. Every week we review, okay? Whatever we did last week, whatever homework you did, I need to make sure, oh, you're good with it, right? That sort of a thing happens, okay? So these are questions that you can treat as a test of last week's work, okay? Now, see here. Let me share my screen. Okay, go ahead and do 2 or 3 questions I'll give, okay? This will let me know where we are. Come on, guys, quick. Mhm. Mhm.
Miss Priya,
Mm.
it says that the chat is disabled for me.
No, ma, it's a Zoom new feature, ma. You have to click on the blue button on the top left corner. Are you able to do? Oh, shit. I'm just waiting. I think I got 2 answers.
I said,
Wow. Are you doing it by yourself? Ma, you will have to change your name to Tanishka, ma. Every week I'm saying. You will have to have your own names. Yes, ma. Pranavi and Tanishka, you got it. Rest of you? Where are you? Sid, what are you doing? Are you rounding? Can you do it on the board and show me? Do it on the board and show me quick.
Okay, hi.
Mm-hmm.
How do you annotate?
Yeah, you can annotate. Go to annotate.
I don't see it.
Are you logging from a Chromebook?
No.
Then please get the help of your mom. Try to get the annotate working. Okay. Let's move on, guys. Okay, you guys got it, right? Soumya, you can watch Soumya. 5 by 8, can you tell me the can you tell me the improper fraction, Soumya? Convert this to improper fraction, and then you're splitting by 1 by 4, 1 by 4, right? Now you cannot divide fractions. Soumya, what is the improper?
45/8.
45 by 8. You cannot divide fractions. So what do you do, Soumya? You multiply. Change the sign to multiply. But then since you're changing the sign, you flip the next number, whatever is in there. Right? Here, don't do 45 times 4. 4 and 8 can be simplified. 4 and 8 can be simplified to 1 by 2. So this is 45 by 2 or 22 1 by 2 servings. Okay. I mean, come on. Good job, guys. Proud of you, Pranavi and Tanishka. Very nice work. Okay. We should also be good with decimals. Okay. So I'm going to give you one question. Let me see that we'll move. Decimals, I'll give you no 2, 3 questions because we didn't do decimals last week, remember? So it is just positive numbers. Let's see. Go ahead. Pranavi, you're okay, Pranavi, doing it in the car?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, I am also okay, not a problem because I have, but only thing is you have to be comfortable with all the pen, paper, internet, that's all. Go ahead.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
I accidentally typed something in chat.
No problem. You can correct it. Not a
It was
problem.
only part of my thing, so
Not a problem.
it's not my answer.
Sure, sure, sure.
I said my answer.
Okay, another thing is, okay, multiply and divide positive rational numbers. See, this is involving fractions and decimals, 6.3e. But do you all know integers, guys? Do you all know integers? No, not yet. Negative numbers? Do you all know the negative numbers well? Yes, no?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, a bit,
Kind of.
a bit.
Okay. Kind of tells me a little bit. Thanks. Mm-hmm. Sid, is that your answer? Pranavi, is that your answer?
Yeah, that's my
Yeah.
answer.
Guys, the Education Foundation hosted an annual fundraising dinner. There were 24 dinner tables and 8 chair. There were 24 dinner tables. Okay, see tables like this. There were 24 tables. Okay, and 8 chair like that. There were 8 chair in each. Right. First of all, before even you go to the next one, right? Each dinner ticket For each ticket, it costs 12.50. I will write down whatever is in there first. Now, 3 by 4th of the dinner tables were full. How much money was raised? 3 by 4th of the dinner tables means total number of dinner tables, how many? 24 times 8 was there. That many seats were there, okay? Of that 3 by 4 of, the keyword of means multiply. Of the dinner tables means how many tables? 24 times 8. Now, how can you simplify 24 divided by 4? This is divided by 1, this is divided by 1. So, any numerator can be reduced with any denominator. Soumya, are you following?
Yeah.
24 divided by 6, 24 divided by 4 is what? What is 24 divided by 4, Soumya?
6.
6. Good job. Now this many chairs are there. 60s are 18 times 8 chairs are there. So 64, 6, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 144 chairs were there. And each table, each chair, meaning each seat cost 12.50, right? 12.50 times 144. How to do this? I will just take this off. 5 fours are 20, 2 4 twos are 8, 9, 10, 1, 4 ones are 5, 5. Again the same 500 comes into picture. Then you have a 125. So that becomes, what did you all get? How much money was raised? Did you all get?
I got the wrong answer, but I get it now.
But how much was raised? So why don't I wait for you guys to let me know? Why don't I wait? Let me try. Go ahead and try. What is the answer again? I really want to make sure you got it. Hmm. For the dinner table, what happened? Sid, what was your answer?
I was still in the middle of solving it.
Yeah, I'm going to wait. You're going to do and tell me. You're going to do and tell me. I've given you clues nicely now. Your only job is to do. Can we try? Tanishka, you're doing or mom is helping Tanishka?
I'm doing it by myself.
Good. Done? Tanishka, your answer is right, ma. Okay, Sid, I'm really waiting for your answer. Guys, if you didn't get it, you'll have to be at the back of me. In the sense, you'll have to be following me, following with me, and then trying to understand.
I don't get this problem.
Okay, you didn't get this problem. Okay. What did you not get? Can you explain a little bit?
The part, so I understand the part, like the beginning, but when we were like after we multiplied 12 and like I made it into a I made it into a fraction, 12, like 12 and 1/2, and multiplied it by, oh, never
You
mind.
got it? Yeah. See, when you start explaining, automatically there'll be certain things that become clear. Sid, where is your answer, Sid? Sid, no, that's not correct. How did you do, Sid? Can you explain?
So basically, when I got to the step where like you did 18 times 8 because since like when you put 24 divided by 4, that's 6.
Wait. Where is 24 divided by 4? Start from the first. How many chairs are first there? 24 dinner tables. Each has 8. So 24 times 8 tables are there. So what do you need to do now?
Can I annotate?
Yeah, please.
So there were 12.50
Mm.
and so it said 3/4 of the tables
Uh-huh.
were full. Oh, wait, I
See,
understand.
yeah. When you start explaining, same thing happened with Pranavi. When you start explaining and putting it out on the board, right? Sometimes you realize your mistakes. So please send the answer, both Pranavi and Sid. I want your answer. I will wait for your answer. Tanishka, you're going to hold on for a minute. Okay, in the meantime, right? Tanishka, can I understand what is the answer for this one, ma? I just want to know where you are. You seem to be waiting. I don't want you to while away. Go ahead. But I want to see where we are on that. Siddha, you need to be careful with the placement of decimals. Can you correct your see, you got the concept, okay? There is no problem with the concept, but you are not having decimal placement is messing up. Decimal placement should be perfect. There should not be any problem with decimal addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If there is, then there will be one another assignment on decimals again, which I don't want to, but if it is required, I will give.
I sent my answer.
Yes, ma Pranavi, I got it, Pranavi. That Pranavi, what is the question asked? How much money was raised, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll wait for you to settle in a place. You can send the answer after settling in a place. Go ahead. Did you get it, Tanishka? What is Soumya? What are you doing, Soumya? Yes, Sid, did you get it now? I want you to be careful. Read each word, be careful next time when you send the answer. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Sid, can you answer this question? 4.03 times 0.004. I want to see the decimal placement. Tanishka Goodma. Okay. Sid, you're going to send it to me. In the meantime, Tanishka, I would really like to understand this. Okay?
Um, for the first problem,
Yes.
um, multiply 12 and 0.50 with 3
Correct.
or 3/4.
Mm.
So
And
it
then of
could be
what? Three-fourths of what?
can you like convert the 12.50 into a 12 and 1/2?
That is fine. You can do that.
Uh,
You can do however you want, whichever is easy. Now, how many dinner tables were there? 24 times 8, right?
yeah.
3/4 of that is this many dinner chairs times 12.50. Multiply all that, you get your answer. Multiply and tell me the answer. Sid, I'm waiting for question number 2 and 3. Soumya, which one are you doing? Uh,
Working on that problem.
Which one?
This problem. I don't get them question 2.
It is just multiplication, right? 4.03 times 0.004. Throw away the decimal. Just multiply and write down your answer. Then from the end, count the number of decimal places in both the numbers. Go back that many places. Can we try? If you're stuck, you have to ask me.
I got my answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I'm typing it.
Um, aha, okay. Good job, Tanishka. Aha, Pranavi, that is incorrect. Siddharth, that is incorrect. Okay. Tanishka, you're going to wait a minute now. Okay. Coming to this one. What do you do, Pranavi? What is 3/4 here? How did you do, Pranavi? 24 by 4 is what, ma? 6, correct?
I thought you meant like 24 times 8 and then you multiply that by 3/4.
Yeah, that is absolutely fine. But the bigger the number you're going to make mistakes. So why don't you simplify 24 by 4? You got it?
Okay.
Okay. So this is 12.5 times 6 eighths are 48. 48 times 3, right? Or yeah, 48 times 3 is what? 48 times 3 is 144, I think. Yeah. So the answer to this one, when you multiply 144, how do you multiply? Decimals, we are having big trouble, I'm saying. 144 times 12.5. How do you multiply? Do you know how to multiply, Pranavi?
140, yeah.
How do you multiply 144 times 12.5? Throw away the decimal. You're just going to multiply this. You're going to get the answer as this. Now, how many digits after the decimal is there? Just one. So from the back, go back and place the decimal here, that one digit. Answer is 1800. Any questions?
No.
Okay, now 4.03 times 004, 0.004. This is not tricky at all. Okay, throw away the decimal, write the numbers. 403 times 4, right? So you get 1612. Varnika, are you following decimal multiplication?
Yeah.
Now what happens? How many digits after the decimal? Sid, you're going to listen. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
Oh,
from
I thought
1,
I
2,
only did the
3, 4. I'm going to finish. Then only you're going to talk. 4, 5, please. Okay. Now the answer is 0.01612. Come on, Sid. What did you want to say?
I only put the one for 0.004.
You only put the.
I only did the like move back a place value for
Yeah, but that's incorrect, right? There are two more in here, right?
yeah.
Good, 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 good. Okay. 4.12 divide by 0.04. The denominator should never have a decimal point. How to bring it out? How to bring out the decimal point? If you go to your right, decimal point moves to the right, multiply by 10. Why? Because it has one digit after the decimal place. So that becomes 41.2 divided by 4, which will be 4 ones are 4. Then what happens? See, I would do this. 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 0. Bring down the 1. How many 4s in 1? Nothing. 4 times 0 is a 0. Remainder is 1. I cannot bring down the dot. I'll put it in here. Bring down the 2. 4 times 3 is a 12. Now the answer is 10.3 to this. Got it, guys?
I didn't
What is that you didn't get?
get anything for that problem.
Huh?
I didn't get anything for that problem.
In this one?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you divide? I asked you, how do you divide 4.12 divide by 0.4? Do you know how to do that? Okay, let me get rid of the decimal. When you want to get rid of the decimal, what you need to do with 0.4? Multiply by?
Mm,
See, when you want to move the decimal to the right, you multiply by 10 100. Suppose if you want to bring the decimal here, multiply by 100.
100.
For this, multiply by 10. If you want to move the decimal 3 places to the right, you multiply by 1000. You got it? Once
Mm-hmm.
you multiply the denominator by a 10, numerator should also be multiplied by a 10 and the decimal moves one place to the right. 41.2 divide by 4. Did you get it, Pranavi?
Yeah.
Now, how do you divide? How many 4s in 4? 1. Remainder is 0. Bring down the 1. Now, how many 4s in 1?
0.
0. So 4 times 0 is a 0. The remainder is a 1. Now you cannot bring down the dot, right? So put the dot in here, bring down the 2. How many 4s in 12? 3. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, I'm going to move on. Guys, decimal we really need to patch up. Okay, let's see. Let me do it quickly. Okay, decimal we are having trouble. Huh? That's good to know. Okay, how about this? You are going to be slow here, but please read every word, okay? Please read every word and answer the question. Go ahead. You get it, guys?
Yeah, I got my answer.
Did you send? Yes, Pranavi, I got. Good job, Pranavi. See, reading is what is important. The more you read the questions, the better you are. Did your sister finish? Did your sister finish her CBE, Ma Pranavi?
Yeah.
She finished?
Yeah.
What was her score?
She's gonna take it again in August. It
Really?
was yeah.
Let me check with your mom.
Oh, were you asking what her score was?
I will ask your mom.
Okay.
Okay, I'll ask your mom instead of asking you. That's the right way, right? Go ahead. Did you get the answers? Varnika, yes, Varnika. Good job. Tanishka, proud of you all, guys. Very nice. Okay, Sid, where is your answer? Tanishka, you're feeling
I'm
confident
almost
in this class, right?
Yeah.
I know. You're feeling happy here?
Yeah.
Good, but you have to learn as well. Meaning, at the same time, make sure you learn something. You will, don't worry. Whom did I not get the answer from? Pranavi,
I said I'm almost done.
Oh, sorry. Yes, Sid. Thank you. Thank you for letting me. I really like that, Sid, you telling me. See, be interactive. Doesn't matter. One question, one might be faster than the other, and it doesn't matter at all. As long as your individual understanding is clear, you should be happy. We should move on. If your understanding is not clear, you should raise. Don't worry about anybody else. Blind sight, blind eye to others. You didn't understand, you have to call out.
Can I go to the restroom?
Yes, please come back quickly. Sid, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm typing it in chat.
Yeah, shout out. You're the only one who did not. So shout
I
out.
think it's B.
B?
Or not B, sorry, C. C.
What said no? Cheryl's magnolia tree. You want to explain, Tanishka?
Yeah. Do I annotate?
Yeah, please. You become the teacher, right? For a minute. Go ahead. You learn that as well, right? Go ahead. We help
So,
out each other. Go ahead.
so what I did was I multiplied 1.68 by 2.5.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm slow at writing.
Uh-huh. So which is the answer?
D.
Good job. Did you see that? She multiplied. See, oak tree is 2.5 times more means 2.5 times means 2.5 multiply by 1.68, right? So it is in here. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you calculate 1.68 times 2.5, Sid?
Yeah, I did.
What was the answer?
I got 11.76 or 1176, but I did the decimal thing.
But that's incorrect, right? 168 times 25 is what? Answer is 4200, right, Sid?
Oh.
Where were you wrong? Okay, can I move on? Okay, move on. Okay, we're going slow. That's okay. Okay. Okay, I'm purchasing 1.5 pounds of tea powder. Let me write it down for you. You all good? 1.4 pounds of tea powder. Okay, you're able to say how much will I pay for one? How much will I pay? The question is asking how much will I pay? Come on, guys, quick. Quick, come on. That's the question. It's an easy one, not a hard one. So I really want to see answers. Quick.
Um, I have a
Yes, ma.
question. So when we're so you know the dividing decimals, you know when we move the decimal like
Hmm?
yeah, and then we have to like multiply it.
Hmm.
When we divide it, did we have to like
Move to the left. Move the decimal to the left. Divide by 10 moves to the left by 1. Dividing by 100 moves to the left by 2.
yeah, but when we divide it, would it be like let's say 6 times 10, would it be like 60? I mean, something divided by 60, or would it be just 6?
Give me an example. I'll help you. Give me an example. Say the numbers. I'll write down on the board.
Yes. Do I annotate?
Yeah, why not? Did you get it, Tanishka? Wait, I'm checking your answer. Good job, Tanishka. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's an 8. I don't know if you could see
Uh-huh.
that.
I can see 8.69 divided by what?
Like 0.6.
0.6 you're getting, huh?
Yeah, so when we move it, would it be times 10?
Yeah, times 10 both. Okay,
Yeah.
so
And
moves
then
to the right.
when you divide it, would you have to
86.9
do
by 6.
would it not be 60?
No, because the decimal moves out of the number. 0.6, you're moving one place to the right. You got it? 6.0. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, that seems incorrect, right? Why it seems incorrect? You're purchasing 1.4 pounds of tea powder at 7.65 per pound. So what you need to do, what operation you need to do here?
I didn't say my answer yet.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, do then. Tell me your answer. Quick, Siddh, you got your answer. Soumya, I need to see your answer. I told you I'll continue only when I see answers.
Yeah, I'm working it right.
Yes, Siddh, that's right. Varnika, where is your answer?
I kind of don't get it how to solve for the 0.4 part.
Yeah. Now 1 pound is costing 7.65. 0.4 will cost what? Varnika, see here, ma. Pound. This side is pound. This side is dollar. 1 pound is 7.65. 0.4 is how much? Put a butterfly. You don't know this question mark, right? Put a butterfly. Okay. Leave the butterfly wing that has question mark. Okay. So 1 times whatever you don't know. Whatever you don't know is a question mark. So question mark times 1 will be equal to 0.4 times 7.65. Do you get it how to count for 0.4?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Okay, Tanishka and Siddhar waiting.
Is mine correct? I'm not sure if it is. You're on mute.
Pranavi, how did you do? That is incorrect. How did you do, Pranavi?
I do I annotate?
Yeah, tell me how did you do?
Okay. So I knew that 1.4 pounds would like there would you would wait,
Go
would you
ahead,
have to
tell me what you
multi-
did.
I did 476 point 5 divided by 4.
Why 76.5? Why divide by 4? See, I am purchasing 1.4 pounds. Okay. 1 pound is costing 7.65, right? Right? Now they are asking for 1.4 pounds. How do you find it? You
You
don't.
do 0.4.
Yeah, so this one, how did you get from 1 to 1.4? You multiplied by 1.4. Same thing you need to do this side. That will be your answer. You got it?
Yeah.
Ah, okay,
That's
now let's see. Okay, I'm buying 2.6 pounds of tomatoes for $13. Okay, what is the cost of 1 pound of tomato? See, decimals, I do see a lot of issues. Let's fix it. Let's fix it. That's fine. Did you get it, guys?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Sid,
Yeah.
I think that's right. Sid, how did you get that? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Correct. Correct, Sid. Tanishka, that is not correct. Tanishka, think about it. Did you do a sanity check? If 1 pound of tomato is costing $2, 2 pounds is how much? $4. 2.6 pounds will be within $5 or $6, but given is $13. Did you do that sanity check? See, next time you do, okay? Okay, good. Go ahead.
Oh, I don't get it.
Pranavi, what is that? You didn't get it. Can you divide it into 2 columns and write down pounds and dollars? Write it down. Write pounds and dollars.
On the board?
Okay, on the board. That's fine. Not really. Varnika, can you also do it on the board? Varnika, you can also do it on the board. Show me. Yes. No,
Wait,
no.
what?
What are we doing? No, no, I'm sorry. No, no, wait. That is fine. But did you write down dollars and pounds? Did you write it like this, two sides? 2.6 pounds is costing $13. They're asking for 1 pound, right? So how do you write this? How do you understand this? See what is the change on this side. The same change you should do on this side. 2.6, how did it become 1? You divide by 2.6, divide by 2.6, right? 13 divide by 2.6. Pranavi, where did that 0.6 go? So
You
13 divided by 2.6. The denominator is having a decimal. Remove it. Times 10 times 10. That becomes 130 divided by 26. Correct? What is 130 by 26? 26 times 5 is 130. So it's $5 per pound. So the question mark is $5. You got it?
I was thinking of doing that, but it didn't seem right to like.
It does seem right. If you write this down, you won't make the mistake.
Uh,
You got it?
yeah.
Okay. 5.5 pounds of potatoes cost $10. How much is 1 pound? How much is 2 pounds of potatoes? Quick, guys. Can I get it, guys?
I did.
I did get Siddh and Tanishka's.
I sent my. Is it correct?
Okay, I have received 3 different answers. Tanishka, did you send the answer?
No, I'm still solving it.
Okay, I'm going to wait. I've got 2 different answers. One of you is definitely incorrect. Think about, do a sanity check, Siddh. If 2 pounds are costing $4, right? Will 5.5 pounds cost $10? Maybe. Did you do a sanity check? Varnika, did you do a sanity check? 2 pounds is $2, you're saying, right? If it is $2, then add another 2 pounds, it will be $4. But add another 2 pounds, 2 pounds, 2 pounds. If you add, what would happen? 5.5 pounds of potatoes cost $10. So couple of you have done mistakes. Can you separate it like this? Pounds and dollars. So 5.5 pounds is costing $10. Now you want it for 2 pounds. You don't know. First let's find for 1 pound. Intermediate we'll find for 1 pound. What did you do? Divide by 5.5. Similarly, you divide this by 5.5. Find what is 1 pound. Dollars. What is the cost of 1 pound? You need to find by dividing 10 divided by 5.5 is nothing but 100 divided by 55. Make sense? What is 100 divided by 55? 20 divided by 11. Now this 20 divided by 11, see, 20 divided by $11. That's 20 divided by 11. That's fine. Now what do? You have to multiply by 2 again. Similarly, you have to multiply this by 2. So answer would be 40 by 11, which is, do you guys get it? Do you guys get it, guys?
Not
I don't get it.
not really.
Not really. Okay. 5.5 pounds of potatoes cost $10. How much is the cost of 2 pounds of potatoes? You all understood the question, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, basically, they are comparing pounds and dollars, correct? Again, pounds, they want the dollars, correct? Now, let me write 5.5 pounds. This is pounds. Okay, it is costing how many dollars? $10. Now, they're asking for 2 pounds, which is hard. Go see, how did they get 5.2 from 5.5? It's very hard to calculate. So, let me calculate 1 pound money. 5.5 pounds is costing $10 means this $10 was split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and something 5.5, right? So I need to find this is 1 pound cost. This is again 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 1 pound cost. Do you see this is 0.5 pound? So the $10, this is the entire $10 was split between 5.5 pounds. What is the
So
cost of 1 pound then? What operation would you do, Sid?
10 divided by 5.5.
How do you do 10 divided by 5.5?
Well, since you can't, like, since there's a decimal point, you just yeah.
100 by 55. How do you simplify 100 by 55? 20 by 11, correct? Fine. You got 20 by $11. Now you have to find for 2 pounds. That is what is asked, right? 1 became 2 means multiply by 2, multiply by 2. When you multiply 22 by 11 by 2, you get 40 by 11. So 2 pounds will cost 40 by $11. What is 40 by 11? We don't know. We'll have to do it and see, right? What is 40 by 11? 40 divided by 11. 3s are 33, 7 remaining. Put a 0, put a dot. Then you have 11 times 6 is 66, 40. Again 3s are 33. Again you get 7. So 63, 63, 63 goes on repeating. So 1 pound, 2 pounds of potatoes will cost $3.64. Any questions, Varnika?
No.
Okay, let's try a few more. Okay, 6 pounds of potatoes cost $24. What is the cost of 3.5 pounds? Try, guys. I'm waiting, ma.
is my answer correct?
Checking. Good job, Pranavi. Sid, good job. Pranavi. Pranavi, I thought you got it right. No. Tanishka got it right. Sid got it right. Pranavi, can you check your answer?
Mhm. Is my answer correct now?
Your answer correct. Yeah, Pranavi, that's correct. Soumya, what are you doing, Soumya? Soumya?
Yes, I'm still working on it.
Okay. So now I do see. Okay. Let's see, guys. So a lot of I'm going to give you problems on fractions and decimals, guys. Do you see?
Yeah.
Fractions and decimals, only positives. Okay, only positives. How long, how many questions are there? I need to see, right? I don't know. I don't know, honestly. Okay, we need to see how many number of questions. Wait. Okay. You can do only 13. Okay, you can do only 13 questions. Let me see.
How many?
Only 13. Do you think you
13?
Yeah. That's very less, right? That's very less, right, ma?
Yeah.
Don't you
Compared
think
to
it is
last time, yeah, it was less. It's less.
Yeah, compared to last time, it is less, but the 13 questions require you to think and do, but I want you to do a little more as well. I'll do one thing. Let me go ahead and give you this, okay? Let me go ahead and give you this for this week, and additionally, I'll post a second assignment. Does that make sense?
Yes.
I
Sure.
think that
But
makes sense.
are the 13 questions that have like many questions in them?
Come again, ma?
Like, do like the 13 questions have like many questions inside them, like A, B, C, D?
No. Some of them have. Good question. Some of them have. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you the same assignment, but that will be on fractions and the completely. Okay. But please do. Okay, and then come. Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay, guys. We'll see you next week. But please do the assignment and come. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. If you have questions, you can ask.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Navneet, how are you? Why others forgot? Who's this phone 1800? This is making it hard, guys. You cannot have phone 1800.
Not on like